we go.
All right, it's on. All right, turning you across the wind here. You're gonna get some sail in a minute.
I'd like to learn where should the crab will be on different days.
Yeah.
Like at the softer days, the way out, or the way out on the
I don't know either on that.
Yeah. Go manage. I'll have a video. That's the person who's looking. Oh, yeah, this is good.
I'll tell you when you're falling off. Keep your head down. You're good right here.
I got him.
Okay. Yeah, if you just point them. Yeah. Hi. Oh yeah, we saw you. Should be falling off here in a second. Yeah, there we go. There it is. There it is. The waves are going to push us. See if I can get this in a little bit.
We're still in irons, eh?
Yeah, we are. Actually, it looks like we may be falling off completely now.
Yeah.
Because it's grabbing the jib.
Yeah.
Yeah, just watch her, yeah. Get her with a dolphin striker? Yeah, here you go. That little string that we use to tie up the sail with is on deck. Oh, yeah. What's that?
data.
You're starting to fall off now. Nope. Well, we'll have another shot at it in a minute. I'm ready to go out if I need to. Out of my life. There's definitely a lot of things out of my life. But even the things I like about it, like, you know, like I like playing hockey with it, and yet when I don't. Or like giving me shit about something, you know. Yeah, he's got a lot of, definitely puts it all out there. He doesn't